Welcome back, Nanos from Sports. Salgaocar Sports Club completed the clean sweep of the season, winning the Bandodkar League cricket tournament on Friday. Salgaocar defeated N.R.B Goa Sports Academy Stars by 73 runs in the final of 49th Bandodkar Trophy tournament organized by Gymkhana. Meanwhile, new president of Gymkhana, Manoj has declared that 50th edition of the tournament will be a mega affair with the historic facility set to undergo extensive renovation. Salgaocar had earlier won the GPL 2020 and 3-day tournament, and on Friday the Vasco-based club annexed the historic Bandodkar Trophy to mark a memorable season. Salgaocar have once again established themselves as the #1 cricket team in state after a gap of couple of years. Fantastic half-centuries by captain Sagun Kamath and Karan Sharma powered Salgaocar to 178 for 7 after being put into bat. GSA threatened to keep their rivals in check, with captain Sher Bahadur Yadav taking 2 wickets in 2 balls. But Salgaocar overcame the setbacks and made a strong score. GSA were never really into the chase as they lost wickets one after another. Swapnil Asnodkar was first to go, and it never appeared that GSA could even make a fight of it. Abhishek Rai top scored with 36 runs while Sunny Kanekar made 25 runs. Salgaokar's Prathamesh Solanki and Sahil Duri took 3 wickets each. Sagun Kamath had a great tournament with the bat and was also the man of the tournament. Sahil Duri was adjudged best bowler while Sher Bahadur was the man of the series. Gymkhana's new president Manoj Kakulo revealed that the oldest cricket facility in state will be renovated sooner rather than later.
आमचे plans खूप आसात, म्हणजे subject to all the government approvals and all that. We want to do a बरे हांगा club house करपाचो आमचो plan आसा. मागीर ground beautification करपाचो plan आसा. आणि overall cricketूच न्हय तर बाकीचे आमचे tennis courtsूय हांगा आसा. Tennis courts as well as cricket, we want to bring more limelight for this trophy. जी एका तेंपार इतली प्रतिष्ठीत आशिल्ली, पुणून आतां somehow लोक विसरल्या. 2020 जाल्या. पुणून आमी जी आमची पास्ट ग्लोरी आशिल्ली बांदोडकर ट्रॉफीची ती फुडल्या वर्सात परत हाडूंक सोदता.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Panji. The National Sub-Junior Basketball Tournament is heading towards the business end. Strong teams like Punjab, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh have made it to the quarter-finals. The tournament has seen some close contest at the Yagnal Ashram premises in Verna.
In a fascinating contest at the ongoing National Championship on Thursday, Madhya Pradesh got the better of Kerala by 38 points to 24. Here are some highlights. In another match, Bihar scored a comprehensive 40-13 victory over Karnataka. Here are some highlights. A reporter from Verna, Savio Dice.
Ragi, which is locally famous as Nachne is a rich source of calcium, iron, protein, fiber and other minerals. The cereal has low fat content and contains mainly unsaturated fat. Ragi flour with buttermilk gives you a mouth-watering drink which is commonly known as ambil. It is easy to make and best to drink. Watch our last part of the special series on summer Beat the Heat with me, Aparna. आम्ही सध्या आसा सत्तरीतल्या दाव्या गांवान. हांगा खंय आंबेल म्हणटात ते खूब फेमस. गरमेच्या दिसांनी एकदम टेस्टी आनी हेल्दी अँड रिफ्रेशिंग ऑल्सो. आमकां जोशी काकू दाखयतली हे आंबेल कशें तयार करप. सो लेट्स बीट द हीट इन अ डिफरंट वे. आमकां तुमी दाखोवंक शकता आंबेल कशें तयार करता आनी हाका कितें लागता. हे नाचण्याचें पीठ आसा. एक 2-3 चमचे घेतल्या टीस्पून मधले. मागीर तातूंत थोडेशें उदक घालप. उदक घालें की तें मिश्रण सारकें मिक्स करून घेवचें पडटा कित्याक नाजाल्यार गुठल्यो जाता न्ही. ताक घालया. मीठ हांव अंदाजान घालता. मागीर टेस्ट पळोवन घालया. घालता घालता धवळीत रावना कितें जावं शकता. बुकऱ्यो जावं शकता. धवळीत रावन जितलें आपल्याक जाड जाय पळय तितलें धवळीत जाड जाल्यार उदक घालून घे. खूब जाड बरी लागना. आपल्याला जितली हें जाय. आंबील रेडी जाली. जोशी काकू आमकां इतलें बरें ड्रिंक दाखयल्या बद्दल. सो आतां हें आंबील हांव टेस्ट करून पळयता. पळयता कशें लागता. व्हेरी टेस्टी एंड व्हेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. बाजारांत सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक आनी ज्यूसेस मेळटा तेच्या पेक्षा 100 वाटांनी. विथ लौकीक शिलकर, अपर्णा बांदोडकर फॉर प्रुडेंट मीडिया. Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.